Watch your nasal passages react the moment dust or pollen invades your nose.
Sensitive nerve endings sound the alarm, triggering a biological riot inside your skull.
Muscles in your chest and throat tighten fast. Pressure screams against your lungs, stretching tissue to its absolute limit.
Your nervous system detects the surge, signaling the exit valve to brace for a high-pressure vent.
This violent release prevents a buildup of dangerous irritants and stops your system from clogging.
A sneeze is your body's essential high-speed cleaning service.
Bless you, and follow to master your body.